Did you know that menopause can actually last for several years? Most women experience perimenopause symptoms for an average of 4 years before their periods stop completely. Menopause is a natural phase in a woman's life, marking the end of her reproductive years. It's a significant biological change that affects every woman, and it's essential to understand what happens during this time. It's vital to have a basic understanding of female reproductive health, and I want to encourage you to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. They can provide you with tailored guidance and support throughout this journey. So let's break down the stages of menopause. The first stage is perimenopause, which is the transition period leading up to menopause. During this time, hormone levels start to fluctuate, causing symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and changes in your menstrual cycle. Perimenopause can last for several years, and it's a time of great change for your body. As you enter menopause, your hormone levels drop dramatically, and your periods stop completely. This is a significant milestone, marking the end of your reproductive years. Menopause can last for a year or more after your last period, and it's a time of adjustment for your body. Finally, there's postmenopause, which is the stage after menopause. During this time, your hormone levels remain low, and your body adjusts to this new normal. You may still experience some symptoms, but they're generally less severe than during perimenopause. To manage your symptoms, it's essential to make some practical lifestyle changes. This includes maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly. Additionally, stress management techniques like meditation and deep breathing can help alleviate symptoms like anxiety and depression. Many women have concerns during menopause, such as severe symptoms or emotional challenges. If you're experiencing any of these, I want to assure you that there are solutions and coping strategies available. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for guidance and support. In summary, menopause is a natural phase in a woman's life, and it's essential to understand what happens during this time. Remember, you're not alone, and there's support available to you. If you've got a menopause story to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on more health-related content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay safe.